back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Fashion Wizardry here, aka Matilda, and today I'm here to show you a quick hairstyle that literally takes less than 10 minutes. I'm going to show you how I do my faux crown braid. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to start with taking a rat tail comb and just putting a very sharp middle part on my hair. So something like that. Okay, so I just changed my top because that one was annoying with all the arm movement. It doesn't have to be perfect. This will work fine. Next, I'm going to take my hair stimulator oil. This is a very nice oil I picked up from Beauty Wholesale in town. It has almond oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, castor oil, and shea butter, which is quite good for your hair. And my hair has been loving it so much. So I'm just going to moisturize my strands because I'm about to go in with a gel. You don't want to dry your hair out. Now that she's moisturized, I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to sleek down my hair. No gel yet, just taking it to the back. And before I tie down my hair, I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel, and this is the black castor and flaxseed oil one, and I love that it comes with a lid, not something you know. So I'm just going to take some of that gel and I'm going to be generous with it. Obviously, if you don't want a super strong hold, you could use a gel that's not so super hold. But Eco Styler is for those days you want your hair snatched. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the same on this side. Now I'm just gonna brush down the hair. Then I'm going to hold my hair at the back, all of it. Try hold it at least as tight as I can for you. As tight as I can, but not too tight. You don't want to pull out your hair. Then I'm just going to brush down now everything. That way it lays sleek. Now that we have this kind of sleek ponytail going on, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm just going to take out baby hairs because you gotta have baby hairs with this hairstyle. Okay, that's a preference. You don't have to. That's what I want. So I'm just gonna take out the hairs at the front and I'm gonna lay them flat. Then I'm just going to take a toothbrush and I'm gonna lay down these edges because girl, you gotta slay, okay? You gotta slay. The side ones, I'm just gonna leave it a bit curly. I had moisturizer on my face and I think it's just not reacting well with the baby gel. Whoa. With the gel. Now I'm just going to take a scarf and I'm going to tie it around my hair and leave it on for about 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and then I'm going to be back. Moving on to preparing the braid, I'm going to be using the Darling Braid Abuja, and this is extra long. As you can see, it already has a rubber band attached to the braid. I'm going to leave that on because that's what I'm going to use to attach onto my hair later on. I'm just braiding down the hair using a 3-part braid. I had to improvise and use my doorknob, but if you have someone who can hold the hair for you, the better. If you don't, just improvise. You'll be fine. This is what the hair looks like braided. I secured the end with a rubber band, and now I'm going to decorate the hair using some hair jewelry so that it looks cute, it looks good, it looks nice, hella poppin'. Once you're done, this is what you should have. My camera cut off, but I did redo my baby hairs. You're gonna see them look a bit different. I didn't like how I put them in the previous clip, so I just redid them and then put on my scarf, and now I'm back. I'm just gonna take this out. I've had this on for about 10 minutes and I'm ready to style this hair. I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm just gonna pin this hair. Taking my rubber band, I'm going to attach this to my ponytail. I think I'm gonna attach it twice. Oops. Yeah, you definitely need to hold your hair in place for this. Now what I'm doing is I'm wrapping my hair around, I'm wrapping my braid around my hair. And now I'm just gonna bobby pin the hair down at the back just to make sure it stays in place. Once you have enough bobby pins, just make sure that this thing will not budge. You're good to go. So guys, this is a finished hairstyle. How cute is this look? Honestly, I am feeling all sorts of cute in this hairstyle, and this literally takes about 20 minutes, and 10 of those minutes is you waiting for the gel to set your hair. So I feel like this is such a lazy hairstyle, but she's so cute. People are going to believe that you put in the work, whereas you didn't. Okay, that's how we do here. We're lazy, but we don't let people know. Anyway, I really do love this hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And I don't know what that hand motion was. If you are subscribed, I will see you in my next video for sure. Until next time, bye. Woo!